Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the grease pencil or a 2D workspace so you can draw immediately. Select or add a grease pencil object. Once done, enter draw mode and pick your tool, pencil, pen, or marker for the stroke style you want. Make sure to set stroke placement to surface or cursor depending on whether you follow 3D meshes. Adjust radius and strength to match your input device if you use a tablet. Enable pressure to control opacity and thickness for natural strokes. Once you have sketches, create separate layers for rough, cleanup, and color so edits don't destroy earlier work. Lock and hide layers when needed to focus. Next, refine strokes by enabling stroke stabilizer and adjusting smooth to remove jitter. Auto thickness helps maintain consistent line weight. If a line needs fixing, switch to Edit or Sculpt on the grease pencil object to slide vertices, smooth curves, or simplify strokes. This gives precise control without redrawing, and finish by assigning materials for stroke and fill, then use the fill tool to block colors. Adjust opacity and blending for depth. Once satisfied, export your grease pencil as SVG or PNG, or render frames as a sequence. Make sure the output resolution and frame range are correct. If strokes misalign or appear inside meshes, check the stroke placement, object transforms, and normals. Reset rotations and scale if needed. Apply location, rotation, scale to stabilize later drawing, and prevent recurring offset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.